What the nation? Maronso. You tend to come to so don't see now. Deva from some sober. Do not on the Mendeva. Deva Chada.
So, however, in this world that we all, everybody wish to achieve happiness, and there is no any single being who wish to suffer.
Deva the danger carry now. Neck up Kangan Mumboji dum to Deva Temple down to Tokyo. You now tell it about Temple.
So, in this world, that whatever temporary happiness are, still one have to go through lots of hardship and difficulty, and one could achieve something, but still it is also not very permanent. Everything is so impermanent.
Don't be cheap, they say now. 30 Deva Lana Mevadu. Kovi do not tell it out of that. Deva person so bad, Tantichimi Komona, the together.
So, in this way, if we just carry through the actual Dharma practice, then one can achieve ultimate happiness, and one can liberate from the suffering of all the samsara, and ultimately one could achieve the unsurpassable quality of completely enlightened Buddha.
They knowledge on the Laminager says Onhaji Kona Shepherd to the Dovachi Michela. In Laminager is actually made.
So, among them, then the Guru Yoga practice, in general, that all the secret mantrayana practice, that which is important in that way, especially for the Dzogchen, the great perfection, then there is no any other practice more profound than the Guru Yoga.
said another Lamage Konoco in a Yirangi Lato, Hiva, Cho, Kaji, Gondi, Purva Lato, Kandi Dunayo, Ronkitai Lama, the Nai Mativa, the Serin to Seguris.
So, the secret mantrayana or the bhajarana practice, like Kriya, Upa, Yoga, and then the Yogacharya, all this Tantra practice, whatever the deity practices are, whether they are peaceful or wrathful, or like Kaje Herukas, 8 Herukas, or Kundu deities, and the Bhajarkilaya, the Purva deities, or whatever the deity practice we do, it is just inseparable and inseparable with the Bhajara master, and condensed in that way. And when we have the concept of these are just separate, then it appears in that way. So if one just apply into practice that the nature essence as the just root guru, which appears in form of all this meditational deity, and according to that one could accomplish faster, and one receive all the blessings. All the past Mahasiddhas, the actual practice tradition is like that. And we all the worldly peoples just thinking that these deities are just each and every deities are kind of individually separate. And in that way, then one could just carry through practice, and one could not, and then there are all these kind of confusions. So in this way, whether it is a peaceful or wrathful deity, however it appears, if one understands as just the nature of the one's root guru, that which appear in that way, then when one get accomplished with the one deity, one could accomplish with all the deities.
When Jagavaki Kegris, Jagas Venditan. Jagal Sati Dubin Rups, Persamu Dubin, Mendusi.
And one time that a great Indian master said that in India, just practicing one deity, get accomplished, and Tibet, in Tibet, many deities practicing and could not accomplish. So that is actually that thinking that these deities are individually separate, then in that way one could not get accomplished.
So Lama Drugio Dakin Drunat Digre, Jamget and Maravis.
And some just ask or say that I'm just practicing Guru Yoga and can I just practice a Dagini? Can they be contradictory?
Irang Titi Purban Rajin Dugio, Dakajan Rajin Dumnat, Digre.
And some say that I'm just practicing Bachakilaya, so is it okay if I just practice, like 8 Herugas? And some say that I'm just practicing the Bajra Varahi, and then is it okay just practice in the Tara? So in that way, when we think that they are just individually separate, then it is also difficult to have the all accomplishment.
Lama Yedam Kandro Chisung Karetuna, Lama Kusung, 2 Yende Tilages and all the sun, the Yedam Hato Yemage saw at the Druna, something new at the years.
So if one just all the 3 root deities that Lama, Yedam and Dakinis, that if one understand as the body, speech, mind manifestation of the just one root Guru, and then understanding they are just inseparability in nature, and then one could accomplish it in more easy way.
Nature of the Lord, Mohaki Hako, Savine, Savine Chimunishan, and Guru Mochegi, Perchi Jamonian, Lasoba, Lotutan Ditila,
So you all most of might be knowing this story that Guru Padmasambhava in Samye Chimbu in Tibet, that there is just a place where they carry through the 8 Heruga practices. At that time, Guru Padmasambhava did that, just all the 8 Herugas, that all the just audience, whoever just there, they could just clearly see it. And then at that time, Guru Padmasambhava asked to all the just audience, like all the disciples and queens and so forth, that from where you want to receive the empowerment, from the just Lama or from the deity.
Oh, that is enough. Guru was another Taban
So then the king's one queen, known as Margima, and then she said, oh, Guru Padmasambhava, we can just see him every day. And these, 8 Heruga deities, we could not just see every day. Today we only have the opportunity. So I want to receive the empowerment from these, the 8 Heruga deity.
Lami goes to Le Mandi Padi, around La Soto Mevajis, Hakoasin, all Lama.
And rest of all the audience, they just know that all the deities are not separate from the Lama's body, speech, mind. So that is why they said, we want to receive the empowerment from the Lama.
They gathered in Guru Moji, so you don't love Guru Moji to cut him in the race.
And then instantly Guru Padmasambhava did say just Dahum Bamho, through which that all the appearance of the meditational deity just dissolved into him. And then all the just the Tibetan kings and the ministers and audience that aid Heruka empowerment were just individually given to them. And this queen, Margema, she didn't receive any empowerment at all. So these kind of these stories I'm just telling again and again, just to really understand the nature, how you could understand the Dharma. And for example, like when we just carry through the practice of the Lama Rinzin Duba, the Guru Padmasambhava practice, then in the beginning there is saying that the whole assemblage of the Lama Rinzin Duba that appear in front of you in the space. So at that time we are visualizing that the whole assembly of the Rinzin Duba just deity in front of you in this space.
Mandala. Shandro Sense in La Dembatani, Gahon Bao Sogina Rola Timbatur City, get out to do yours.
Then after that we have the refuge and bodhicitta, and then the 7 branches of offering, and at the end then we say Dahum Bamho, that all the visualized deities are just dissolved into oneself. So those are the just same manner. So then every morning we are just receiving the Bodhisattva vow, and then also doing the practice of Guru Yoga together. It is just a fortunate time. That all the practitioners just being assembled and chanting together, it has more power of the blessing. For example, like Buddha said that in the wars that about 1,000 armies that they are just having one intention. So even one soldier kills one person, based on their intention, the 1,000 army have the same kind of negative, just like each and every individual killed one person. So since it is just kind of group, so that just has to just have that kind of result equally. So similar like that, as we receive the Bodhisattva vow as a group together, so it is more powerful. So now that the Wondro students and then the Tökel Dzogchen students are receiving this instruction, and all the Zalung practitioners, they can just leave and carry through your practice.
Thank you.